Y'all, welcome back to Katie Resin. Today I'm going to do a Grinch. This is a car freshie mold, but I'm going to use it as a Christmas ornament. I'm going to try to see if this paint will come off with the resin when I pour the resin. I've tried glitter in it and I lose the glitter. If I lose the paint, I'll just paint over top of what I lost. Oh no. That was wonderful, wasn't it? I just knocked something off. Did y'all hear it? And I just dropped that on the floor. I need a reset for today. I'm gonna flip him upside down. Now, if I lose them in the resin, I'll just paint them back on again. Alright, this is just the little paper cup that I ripped. And I'm gonna put a glitter with a UV resin on his hat. Alright, I'm going to put you on a time-lapse video there, you know, since you're sitting here watching me do this. It'll take too long. So I'm going to put you on time-lapse. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to do the Grinch's face in the lime green glitter. This will probably take quite a bit. I'm going to put the top on this because everybody knows I'll knock things over. I'm a messy Marvin. I think it's a little bit thick, y'all. There we go. I'm going to put y'all on time lapse while I fill it in. Alright, there we are. I don't know whether to do the white on the hat or what. I'm not sure on that. Let me straighten that camera up a little bit. Alright, y'all, I'm just going to do this chrome. I don't have white, so I'm just going to do the chrome marker on this. I'm going to put you on time lapse. Alright, y'all, I got all that done. If I lose the chrome or the nose or the eyes, I'll just redo them again on top of the black resin. I'm going to pour it in black. And I just need to, I'm just going to put a couple of ounces in it. But I'm going to let this dry a little bit first. I'm going to put it in the UV light and see if that'll help. Alright, y'all, we're going to pour the black in on the Grinch here. If I lose any of these pins, I'll do it after it cures and everything. I'm not going to pour this very thick because I'm going to use it as a Christmas ornament. Okay, I'm just going to spray a little bit of alcohol. And we'll start pouring. I can't work on this with the silicone tool because of the UV resin. I don't want to pop it up. I'm losing the marker. I can see it floating up. I'm just going to watch him for a little bit and pop some bubbles. Since it isn't Christmas, I'm going to go ahead and pour this little guy too, because I got quite a bit of resin. And I'll color him in after he cures. I like the Car Freshie molds as Christmas ornaments because they're big and I like oversized ornaments. That one's going to be cute. So you're getting a twofer. I gotta find something else to put. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the paw print because I got all my kids got dogs, so I'll fill it in like I do the truck carrying the Christmas tree. All right, you guys, we're ready to demold. We're gonna go with the Grinch first. Okay, we got a little work to do to get him cleaned up, but he looks pretty good. Let me get my paint pens. I think that if I would have gave this more time to dry, because see, look at the nose and the eyes. The eyes don't need nothing done, but I am going to go over that nose again. But I think the eyes, I think we're good. And then I'll go over, I'm going to turn him upside down, y'all. And I'm going to go over this again. I know some of that was lost in the resin because I could see it. But I just think that it wasn't dried very good is what I think. But I'm going to put a top coat on this. But I'll wait till this dries, of course. The paint pen. I'll let it dry an hour or so. And then I'll get back with it. I'm afraid that if I use the white glitter, I'm afraid that it wouldn't come up white on that black anyway. I know this is boring, just sitting here watching somebody color, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm going to let him dry for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to give him a top coat of UV resin. So we'll move along to the dog foot. And I knew that this was going to happen, but I'm going to do, I'm using the same cup that I used yesterday. Waste not, want not. And I'm going to outline the paws and the paw pad in gold glitter. So I'll go ahead and do this, and I'll put you on time lapse for this so you don't have to watch me do it. Okay, now we're going to demold the little truck with the Christmas tree on it. This will be, it's got a bubble on the back of it, but I don't care about the back, really. There's the truck. I'm going to go ahead and glitter in, let's see here. We'll make the tree green, of course. We could do red glitter on the truck. And, of course, we got to do the tires black. And I think I might do the centers with a gold glitter. So, since I've got that gold already mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. I'll put you on time lapse so you don't have to watch all this. Top coat on the Grinch. This usually goes pretty quick, so But I just want to show you how this is going to pop back, which I know most of you already know that this Grinch is going to just pop to life. These colors will pop. These I got to be careful of because they're kind of wet and I don't want to touch the bottom. I'm just trying to help it go meet up. There we go. I love how that UV resin just brings those colors back to life and make that glitter sparkle. I like the way that the paint pens did the eyes and stuff too. I think that's probably what I'll use on them from now on. Those eyes and stuff. I don't know why the glitter disappears, but it does. I just love this mold. Okay. I'm going to give him a little spray with alcohol. Oop, I see a spot right there. Didn't get him. I'm going to give him a little spray. I'm going to get these out of the oven. And I'm going to put him in. And yes, I should have gloves on, and I don't. I apologize. Okay, I'm going to top coat these two. Look, I didn't lose the white all the way, did I, on the windows? They're kind of looks like they're frosted up for winter. Drive to go pick up your Christmas tree. Most people, I get mine out of boxes. Does anybody get a real Christmas tree anymore? If you do, let me know in the comments. I'm going to put you on time lapse to finish these out. I'm going to put, I think I'll do Toby's name on this one because that's my oldest daughter's dog. And I'll just go down the line with my kids and get their Christmas ornaments done for their pets. And I'll be, I'm going to put you on time lapse so I can top coat these. Okay, I'm back with Toby's name. So we're going to put Toby's name on here. And then we're going to do a top coat. So I'll put you on a time lapse while I do the top coat. Okay, now I'm going to put a top coat on the truck. Alright, y'all, there we go. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.